listening to the voices of understanding, you can become skillful, masterful even at having understanding, at having it and at doing it. However, being understanding, where understanding is an inherent part, a spontaneous and inherent part of your being. Being understanding, the very grace of being understanding, lies deep within mystery, within the dark and the light of those depths. You can create a tapestry of magic. From those depths, you can be lifted. From those depths, you can soar with the grace of being understanding. You can be and you can become more. All right. Well. It is a pleasure. It is a joy. As it always is, it is tonight. It is a never-ending pleasure, a ceaseless joy to be here, especially when being here means being with you. It is an ever-lifting pleasure and a boundless joy to have once again this opportunity to explore and work with you, to journey with you into the deep and the deeper of mystery. And from that depth, from the dark of mystery and the light of mystery, to emerge with the grace of being understanding. Yes, it is a pleasure and a joy. It is an exquisite pleasure. It is a sublime joy to not only have the opportunity to work and explore with you, the opportunity to journey into the deep and deeper of mystery, the opportunity to love with you, but an exquisite pleasure, a sublime joy to have this chance, however brief, to have this chance to love you, to flat out and unabashedly love you. And so it is with pleasure and joy. So it is with love that we welcome you to this culminating weekend in this potentially watershed year, 2007, the year of understanding. Yes, we welcome each of you, all of you, with pleasure, with joy, with love. Welcome, dear one. Each of you, all of you, who gather here this night, these days. And yes, welcome to you, those of you who in your solitude or with a gathering of a few friends also come together to participate in this adventure, in this quest, out of which you can emerge, each of you, all of you, different, new, and forever changed. Yes, welcome.